What's up, you guys? We're on our way to the California Cars official warehouse event hosted in North Hollywood. There's gonna be a whole bunch of craziness, crazy cars, just mayhem. So keep watching this video if you like mayhem and you like crazy cars. We out here at California Cars official. Hey. I'm here, Habibi. Where's your GT3? Yeah, I said that shit. Hey, that's fire. Hey, it looks so eye candy in here with all the colors.
What do you think about this? What if I put the trades on the windshield?
It'd be fire, bro. I mean, really? That's what got this, bro. So where it is, you know what I'm saying? You trading and you doing all that is what got you this GT3.
Yeah,
so
like, I don't know, is it like corny? Fucking Darrow.
No. I mean, it's just you, bro.
I can't wait for the wheels to come. Game on.
What wheels did you get?
Fucking ridiculous.
Show me later, or show me right now.
It's gonna be
Ooh,
on that?
That's gonna be fresh.
But that's the rears. The Darrow special.
What do you mean? What's the front?
This is the wheel. This is the back wheels. The front wheels.
The other one is like more of like a deep dish.
Yes, a one piece.
That's gonna be nice, bro.
That's clean. That'd be ridiculous.
What's up, bro? How you doing? Got my boy E-Man right here.
What's up?
Got all types of colors, all shapes, all sizes. Got the big body SUV, got the R8 V10, got the V8 twin turbo Benz, got D-Rose GT3 right here. All these colors just look crazy side by side. Let me move all the way back so you can get a good shot of everything.
It's Tiffany blue.
It's the original color, no?
Yeah, I know it is.
Damn.
It's Miami blue. Riviera blue, I think.
Hey, this looks really nice with the gold rims too.
My car would be so nice. Oh my god, this car drags on all fours. Hey, hold on, what's the hood?
Look at the carbon hood, bro.
What the fuck is that?
Oh, Jesus Christ, bro. That's insane. Very nice.
No thanks, buddy guy. No, that shit's insane.
No, we good, bro. This is some next level shit. Look at that full carbon, at least full carbon front end, I think. Doors too? No, doors are not carbon, but side skirts are carbon. Rear quarter panel. The full rear end, this thing's badass.
I saw Shine over there.
What's up, bro? How are you? Everyone's going crazy right now. You go, you go. How are you, my brother? Got my brother over here.
Doing brother from
Gang.
Gang. Go show him the McLaren, bro.
Hey, McLaren. Oh my God, it has the wings.
Yeah, you are
The wings.
The wings. پرنده bro.
Oh my god, it's like an eagle. به به. Oh my god, به به ببین کی اومده. به به. I love it bro, this is fire. Oh, it's absolute mayhem over here, like crazy shit. Bro, the amount of people that started going this way was crazy, bro. Eric! Look at the What? No way. What the fuck? What? What happened, bro? Bro, this shit is fucking crazy. Like crazy. What's your name, bro? Dave? Eric. Nice to meet you, bro. Stay safe. Come out too safe. Much love, bro. God bless you. What the fuck? Bro, this is terrorism. The street. Jesus Christ. Craziest event I've ever been to in my life. My bad, bro. Is homie okay?
This ain't shit really bad.
Is he okay? Bro, homie just ate shit. Who? Fell off the bike.
Oh wait, what happened?
Yeah, I don't know. I literally just seemed like all
that why everyone's
yeah, like he like took off and like he was doing like a burnout on the bike and it flew. He like
That's
flew
why
off.
everyone's screaming?
Yeah, that's why everyone started running, bro. Bro, yeah, his arm is all scraped up, bro. I just saw everyone running. Like I literally don't even know what happened. I just saw. No, I don't even mean to be like that, bro. Seriously? Yeah, right?
He said gang shit, no lame shit. He said gang shit, no lame shit.
This
shit is ghetto as fuck.
It's okay. It's good content, bro.
Shit, bro.
Yeah.
Never heard nobody.
You're out?
I'll see you soon. Yeah, I'm out, bro.
I'll see you, bro.
Careful,
God
bro.
bless, bro. Have a blessed night. Drive safe, bro.
Midnight meet tonight.
Yeah, we're going to some other shit after this?
We're going, yeah.
Fuck yeah.
I'm so happy I took my car off the street. I'm gonna go look at that, low key. Okay, roll up your windows, roll up your windows.
Did some new headlights. About to do some hoodlum shit? I'm sending you my hospital bill after this, bro. I'm not able to hear anymore. I swear to God. At this point, bro, it is fucking so bro. I can't hear every God damn. Just pulled up to fill up gas and the whole meat is here. They're coming from everywhere. Well, look behind us all. Look at the amount of cars. All those cars are like fast cars. They're all sports cars. All of that. Oh my God!
Eric, look at all this content. Yes. Right, the last thing there's at least like 500 cars.
Yeah. More, bro.
Watch out, watch out.
Yo!
Come on, drum music, I got you. in Norwalk. Cali behind us. Habibi.
Okay.
What's up, brother?
Homie got the megaphone.
Damn, bro, it is active.
Homie's like installing the speaker system on his car right now. Wow. W parking job center.
Yeah, literally. Got the perfect spot.
Front fork goes hard as fuck, bro.
F82?
Yeah, like this purple
G82 is crazy.
pops
Bro,
like
this
fucking
looks like
crazy.
a color that I would like, a special color I would get, like a crew color in GTA. Like a crew color, you know, where you can customize it?
Yeah.
That's what this is.
Some unique shit. I wonder what rap is this?
That Cali kid?
Homie.
Cali kid with a Hellcat. BMWs are better than Hellcats.
I just want a regular one. I got 4. I just need a regular one. How much is a regular
Is she more fiber?
Get your vehicle to take off.
Look at this dude. Look at this dude.
We're going? By what brand? 3M. 3M? Okay. I fucking love it, bro. Fuck yeah. Much love, bro. Have a blessed night. Drive safe, bro. Hey, you know this was one of the colors I was gonna wrap my G. Yeah. Damn. That's sick. Woo. Got Cali the Kids Hellcat right here. Got this contraption. Crazy. Okay, we out. There's no more locations. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna get to my car, which is at E-Man's house, and then I'm gonna head back to the shop until maybe it's like Andrew got fucked up. And you guys, that is a wrap to California Cars official car meet. I got my boy Anna right here. That was one of the craziest events I've ever been to in my life. End of story. I hope you guys liked that video. Stay tuned for much more content, all types of car content, anything car related. You got it right here at Aerodynamics. Much love. See you guys in the next one.